This is a plant you should not miss in your home. And why do I say that? You'll know. Now I invite you to watch the video to the end so you can find out the benefits it will bring you. And especially inside your home. Before we start, I'd like to give you a little message that's very important to you. I don't know if you know, but to continue receiving our videos you have to interact with our page. And what is interacting? Interacting means liking, commenting, and sharing our videos, okay? So, if you haven't already done so, do it now and take the time to like, share and tell me which city you're watching this video from. Your comment means a lot to me. And, of course, so that you can continue to receive our tips every day. So let's go. This is a plant that you shouldn't miss in your home. Do you know what this plant is? Leave your answer here in the comments and I'll be over to see if you got it right. And for you who want to make a vegetable garden. For you who want to start planting in a pot. These are the plants you shouldn't miss, and I'll tell you why. The name of this plant is stay. George's sword. There are 3 types of stay. George's sword. But here we have 2 types. The first, the sword of stay. George is known as the sword of stay. Barbara. The second is the sword of stay. George. And the third is the silver sword of stay. George. But why 3 different types? What's the difference? The sword of Saint Barbara has a yellow edge. And stay. George's is completely green. And the difference, there is only the edge, and here there is also the sword of St. George Silver, which has this lighter green color. So let's see what benefit it will bring you. This plant here is ancient, and did you know that it is used in rituals, because this plant first of all drives away the bad spirit from where you are living. It will drive away the evil spirit, the spirit of discord and the spirit of badness, and if someone has it, the plant will wipe it away and leave the person clean. That's why people recommend leaving the sword of stay, George, on your doorstep, okay? Leave it at the entrance, because if someone passes by your house it will get it, it will absorb it for them. This plant has been used since ancient times, it's used in rituals and it will suck it up first. It will also purify the place where you are, it will make the air fresher. It's a plant approved by NASA. NASA approved it because it produces a lot of oxygen at night. Did you know that I have 3 types of stay? George's sword in my bedroom? It's true, because of course, it will help purify my whole room and it will also remove all the purities inside. So, I recommend this plant, guys, never let it be missing from your home. Espada de São Jorge, Espada de Santa Barbara, Espada de São Jorge Prada, or whatever it's called, but don't miss it. This plant is a gift from God. Why do I always say that here? It is a creation of God. But it's such a well-made creation. God gave plants a power so great that He didn't give it to some people, and it will purify the air in your home. It will protect your home, and sometimes you wonder why. Oh, I had such a beautiful rose and it withered. And then you wonder, why did it wither? You watered it, gave it everything it needed, and it still wilted. And then you think about it, and then you think it's fat eye. Someone looked at my plant so much that it wilted. And what actually happens with that? Come on, I'll explain it to you. The plant has a positive charge. If someone enters your house or visits it and sees such a beautiful and wonderful plant, that person has a negative charge. They already enter your house with that negative charge, thinking, what a beautiful plant, what a wonderful plant. And sometimes we sum it up as the evil eye. But it's a negative charge that the person has that the plant absorbs. The plant is positive here. It absorbs the negative charge that the person had and transmits it back to the positive charge so that the person is well. Sounds crazy, right? But it's very true. Can you believe it? And you think that plants have the ability to pull out bad energy? Well, I'm a big believer, aren't you? Let me know in the comments. Plants help, and that's why I say, have a plant in your house, because many people today are replacing live plants with plastic ones. So that's it, if your plant has wilted, it's not because of a lack of water, nutrients, or anything else. It's the negative charge that got in. Someone entered your house with a negative charge. The plant absorbed the negative charge and released the positive charge so that this person could have left your house well. This is a wonderful plant to have in your home. And now tell me what you think of this plant and if you have it in your house. And if you don't, did you want to after this video? Let me know your answer here in the comments. I'd love to know. That was our video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Leave me a like too because it helps me a lot, okay? A super kiss to you. Stay with God. And I'll see you in the next video.